data is the new plastic. It's not getting destroyed. It will outlast individuals' life. So we need to use data responsibly. Government is also thinking about it. Ecosystem is thinking about it. How do we use data responsibly, ensuring that the individual's privacy and interests are safeguarded, while businesses are provided innovative ways to deal with it. Earlier, it was all about money directly getting frauded, but now data is being leveraged to create competitive advantage, use it or abuse it, right? So that's the challenge. Really a fantastic event, and it was a much needed event because usage of data has been increasing exponentially, and the age-old verbiage that data is the new oil, data is an asset, all that is fine, right? I mean, that's old, 5 years back, and I say data is the new plastic. It's not getting destroyed. It will outlast individuals' life. So we need to use data responsibly, and the topic was very much needed, that usage of data in a trusted way and using privacy enhancing technologies to safeguard the interest of the individuals. I think that's a much needed topic, and also it is needed for us as a society.
So what are the major takeaways from that?
I think major takeaways for me is government is also thinking about it. Ecosystem is thinking about it. How do we use data responsibly, ensuring that the individual's privacy and interests are safeguarded, while businesses are provided innovative ways to deal with it. Because at the end of it, it has to be a win-win. Can't be a one-way street. And hence it becomes important that it safeguards the individual's interest, which is of paramount importance, but enables businesses through the government and regulatory bodies to create an ecosystem where these are all in synergy and are able to kind of work together to enhance the experience of the overall society.
So what's the challenge the banks are in general facing towards protecting the data?
I think, banks in general have always been targeted, right? That's a place where, common man puts their money. And at the end of the day, any, fraud or any theft that happens is at the end of the day to get some money, right? And banks are the best place to go and hit, because that's where financial information about individuals reside, right? So that is where earlier it was all about money directly getting frauded, but now data is being leveraged to create competitive advantage, use it or abuse it, right? So that's the challenge, and innovative ways, because scamsters and fraudsters are using the bank data to actually impose as a bank and then do the fraud, which leads to reputational damage for the banks. Right? That is where it's become more challenging, because there are more imposters of the bank today than there used to be in the past. And customers are vulnerable and susceptible, and we can't expect the customers to have the tech savviness of a fraudster or a sinister and a banker. So we need to make systems which are very easy to understand and easy to kind of make aware the common public. That's where I think banks are going to be facing a big challenge, because technologically they need to be advanced, and they need to be very simple in the way they implement, and they need to put controls which the individual customers need not worry about.
So last question. This is AI Impact Summit by Google. So what Google is doing actually to protect or to use AI in protecting the data and awareing the people?
See, for Google, it's a business. They are not a charitable organization, right? But business will grow only if they show how is it benefiting the society. So to an extent, I think they are doing reasonably well. Whatever awareness is being done is a kind of investment that needs to be done in order for this to grow responsibly. So while the $15 billion investment to, investment in Andhra is a good beginning, I think it's just the start of a journey, right? I mean, this is again not charity, right? It's business. And for them to grow responsibly and in a sustainable way, awareness has to be built, transparency has to be built, because AI is going to be the way of life going forward. Hence, it's all the more important to understand this, and they need to be quite transparent and vocal about it and not paint the picture of it being a charity, right?